So you guys, I'm actually going to be using Subculture by Anastasia. As you can see, my whole base is already done. I can list the products below that I use for my foundation and everything. But anyway, so I like to cover a lot of space at once because I'm not the best at eyeshadow, which I wish I was because I have big eyes. To me, I think I have big eyes. And so I like to cover a lot of space at once. I'm just going to go in with this second color called Dawn right here. And I'm just going to cover a whole lot of space at once. This palette is like super creamy for some reason, but whatever. Now I'm starting to like pat so I can get more color instead of like smearing. All right, y'all, so now that I have my eyes covered, I'm going to go in with the next color, which I'm kind of nervous to use, which I just like to cover my whole eye with like something neutral before I get started. But I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the color called Fudge. And like I said, I'm super nervous to go in, but I'm just gonna go in like right here. These colors are very pigmented, so be careful, even though they're like super crummy. I try to like get most of it off of my brush first. It's like, you know, you can always add, but you can't subtract. All right, y'all, so to not be a complete bum, I know this is probably gonna take me a long time. I literally did this off of camera. I want make sure my camera is focusing. Like I said, this is my first attempt of kind of doing like an eye. Maybe this is not a cut crease, maybe this is called a halo eye. I'm not even sure because I'm not the best at doing eyes. But I wanted you guys to see how it looks without me putting the shadow on top of it. I just started and I was like, let me stop. But I'm still going to show you guys with this eye how I completed this eye. But right now I'm just packing it with some highlighter. Packing it right now with some highlighter from It's My Ray Ray palette. So I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I completed this eye over here in just a second. I want to make sure this eye is what I want and perfect before I start over here. All right, y'all, she ready. She is ready. I'm about to show you guys how I do this eye. My braids are now swooped over this way because this big old bun be falling here on my braids. So anyway, y'all, so I'm gonna try to make this quick. I realize like I'm always in my robe when I'm filming. I hate wearing clothes. But anyway, so I'm going in, and so this is my first time actually trying to do like I said, this eye. I'm not really sure if this is called halo cut crease. I want to say halo eye. What I realized as I was doing it, I should have built the color more in my like crease area. I should have built it more here to give it more like definition, so this part could have really popped, but it's all good, especially for my first time. And then I got some eyeliner going on. So I'm gonna go in with this Kevin Aquan concealer, and a little goes a long way. So I'm just want to make sure that it's even on both sides of the brush, so the brush can be as flat as possible. And then I'm just kind of going to go in and go like this. Just to kind of cover it. Now what I've seen somebody do is kind of close their eye and see where it hits, and that means that's where your cut should stop. But sometimes it doesn't always work, especially with how creamy and dense this product is. So I'm just kind of gonna pull my eye like this. You can literally dip your brush in this way, because you want it to be right here on this edge, so when you go in and try to cut it, some people like to kind of go in and build some color in the corners. You can do whatever you want, to be honest. But what I'm about to do is go in with this. It's my Ray Ray palette, and I'm gonna take this shimmer here. It's actually a highlighter of hers. I'm gonna get a whole bunch on this brush, and then I'm about to just go in like this. So I went ahead and applied my lashes off camera. They're just some Kiss lashes. Like I said, if you're interested, I could put them in the description box below. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap up this look. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some Angulola. Put some up in the little cap because this stuff gets everywhere. Okay, and for my lips, I'm going to use a Morphe pencil along with Jeffree Star's Dominatrix. And that's it. So yeah, bam, bam. I hope you all enjoyed this look, and if you have any questions for me, please leave them in the box below. Until next time, bye bye y'all. We getting ready for fall. We getting ready for fall. We getting ready for fall. Bye y'all.